Hey crafters, welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, is all about unboxing this baby here. This is the Poolin Embroidery machine, and I decided I want to get into embroidery. With my business, the demands has definitely called for it, and I decided, you know what, I am gonna try and see how the market look like for me. And I wanted to buy the expensive one, the big ones, and I was like, no, take a minute and think about it. And I decided, you know what, just to try out the market, let me just go ahead and buy the little machine to see how it is, so I can see if I like it, and if I don't, then I'm not gonna regret my purchase. And I decided, you know what, I'm a try out Poolin because I've been seeing a lot of reviews on them. So I decided I'm gonna buy and try it out. I bought this from Walmart, and I'm gonna put the amounts that I bought it for, and I'm gonna unbox this baby so I can see what they got for me in here. This is the Poolin computerized embroidery machine. It is the EOC06. So I decided to buy this, the biggest they have, I believe so. I'm not sure if it's the biggest they have, but that's the biggest that I found that they have. So I decided to go for it. I've been seeing reviews on the 0504, not the review on 06. So from my research, this stated that they said that this is supposed to be bigger than the 06. So you guys can see the name, the model here is 06C 0 E0606. This weight 13.5 kg, and gross weight is 17. That's the total weight. It is 17.4 kg. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start opening this up. I'm finding it difficult to know where to put this microphone. I don't want to put it on my cloth, but I will have to. Yes, I realize when I put on my cloth, it's like when I move, you just be hearing the sound, and I don't like that when I watch the video. So this is what came in here. Heaven knows I do not know all of this, but we will figure it out. But I've been watching a lot of videos on all of this. I know, of course, the scissors, but I don't know a lot. We will figure it out. And it comes with, I don't know what this is. We will figure it out. Like I said, a manual is going to be handy for me. So let's see the hoop. I have been hearing about this like hoop master or hoops from different videos, different brands. I finally get to touch a hoop today. Like, so let me show you guys the sizes that came with this machine. Let me see. This, does it have a sizing on it? 140 by 140 milliliter. And this one is oh, I lied. I don't know. It doesn't say it here. But y'all know that this looks... Where is the size, and does it tell me? This one looks bigger than this. I'm not seeing it on it. It doesn't tell me what size, but of course y'all know this one is the biggest. And 200 by 200 meter. This does not tell me as much. You know how you say 5 by 7, whatever, by this is not telling me that, but this is what we have. And I'm gonna take out the machine. Ooh, it looks big though. Look at how big this thing is. This thing is big. Let me put it on my shoulder so y'all can see how big this is. Let me take it out and put it on my shoulder so y'all can see how big. It's chunky. It doesn't look big. It may not look big on the camera, but it is big. Can you guys see? It's big. All right. So that's the best description I can give you. All right. Let's see what the baby got in here. Let me bring you guys closer. Ooh, it's intimidating. Oh my gosh. The big boy is in here. But let me take out all of this. These are the threads that came with it. Polyester embroidery thread. All right, thank you for putting this in here for me. Okay, I'm making a mess. That's enough. All right. So it came with the embroidery thread. Just an FYI, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my money. So this is the bobbins that came with it. Nice. Thank you guys for putting that in there for us. Oh, I see more hooping. What they call it? Hoop. All right, that's encouraging me because those ones are little. I was like wondering, like, if that is that size, then and they said this is the biggest hoop, then how will the other sizes be like the sizes for the other version? This one, like, from all the videos I've been seeing, this is for the thread holder. This machine is big, yo. You see how big this machine is? It is chunky. Whoa. I should have called my husband to come help me, but sometimes I'll be doing like, okay, I got some things that are packed in here. All right, I'm gonna take this box down so I can have room over here. Uh-oh. Okay. I don't know what this is. I just found in the box, but I'm gonna make sure it's safe. All right, y'all. This machine is chunky. Like, all right, let's see all these things that are in here. I feel like this is so big. It's smaller when you see it on the website. It's big in person. It's chunky. This is the stabilizer. I finally get to touch a stabilizer. Yeah, I know. I'm new to all of this. So when you hear me say that, your girl is new. And all right, you see that hoops? Those hoops are huge. I can definitely make a sweatshirt with this. This is a great start. Like, this is a great start. I'm not regretting my buy. All right, how are we gonna get this up now? So, all right, I may have to lift something up to get this up. From my experience with sewing machine. All right, your girl is not. I cannot get it out. All right, you know what? I will figure something out now. You know what? Let's just go ahead. Yeah, excuse my hair dryer. I'm not a hairdresser. I just like to get my hair done myself if I can, and get my daughter's hair done. So I just like the convenience of doing, dry my hair when I need to. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug this bad boy. All right, I'm gonna put I want to put this somewhere. I don't want to hold it. I don't want to put it in my neck because I feel like you guys are hearing too much sound, that, disturbing sound from movements. All right. We're going to see it light up when it's ready for us. Turn it on now. You guys ready for this? Because I am so ready. Are you guys ready? I'm ready. All right. It's on the side here. Ooh. I'm excited, y'all. I am so freaking excited. Oh, I got an embroidery machine. How? Oh my god, this is huge. All right. All right. Can you guys show me what to do with this? I know I'm just kidding. But can something be moving? Lock, unlock. Okay. Okay. Okay, I don't want to break something because I'm not patient to look at my manual. But what's up? Can I move anything? Oh, oh, I did that one. All right, I got this part out. Now is to get. Oh, I got it out. Oh my gosh, look at how big these hoops are. They are freaking big. They are like, this one. I don't know what sizes this are, real talk. But if I know, I'll put it on the screen for you guys. Look at that. Smile for the camera. You see that? It's big. We're gonna be making sweatshirt together. Look at this other one. This one is bigger. I can literally put my head. That's the best description of this one. This hoops. Let me see if I can put my head on this one. Yeah, but it's kind of tight. But this one is the biggest one. All right. But this is really chunky. Like it's not big on camera, but it's so chunky in person. Trust me. This thing is big. It is really big. I have something on the screen here I want you guys to see. You guys cannot really see, but it says the embroidery frame unit guide will move. Please remove the frame. I think I removed everything. Let me peel this out. So I'll say okay. It says please lift the pressure foot. Your girl already did that. With my experience with sewing machine, I already did that. Okay, what's your next? Please lift the pressure foot. I thought I did. Oh. 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 All right. Next instruction. What you want me to do? Nothing on the screen anymore. I want to peel this so I can see. I'm going to use my measurement and comb measure for you guys. Let's see how big this screen is. It is 6 inches long, 4 inches wide, or 3.5 inches wide actually. Let's see how tall this machine is because it's big in person. This is 12 inches long, and I'm gonna just measure from here to here. You guys see that? This is 20.5, 20 point, let me see, 21 inches wide. My husband calling me. So just so you guys can really see closer. So this is the screen. We're gonna see what they got. Built-in patterns. So these are all their patterns they got. Oh, look at the balls. Let's see. They got over 16 pages on this. It's good. So I'm gonna go back if I can. How do I go back now? This back button is not activated. I don't want to look at everything. Okay. Oh, I got that back. So letters. They got the hollow words and just art word. So we are gonna look at that together as well. All right. Got 4 pages of this. Look at this one. Look at this. Look at this. I know definitely I'm gonna be using this. So I'm gonna check this one out. Fonts really means a lot to me with my business. Okay. This is just art. Go back. Pattern border. So this is all they got. Okay. And y'all know that for those of you that are new like me, you can definitely download some and you can type in your text, whatever. Let's go back. My pattern. Okay, don't know what this is. Maybe I have to upload from here. I don't know. Oh, use this is USB to download, not detected. Did they send a USB or I have to use mine? Let me check now. So I'm gonna configure colors. Those are all the color options. Okay. And go back. Frame. Okay, look at all the frames. Those are all the my hand is not holding this properly. This is hurting me. Those are all the hoops that I seen 140 by 140, 200 by 200, 200 by 280. Okay, so those are for the hoops. Rotate, mirror, save, reset, size. See what this is. Okay. All right. I will. Oh, that button means it's time to start embroidery and embroider. Am I making? I don't know the right word. It's time to start embroidering. Embroidering. Alrighty. Needle, color, whatever, Okay, we will learn that. Nothing to do nothing right now. Languages. So all of this here, there's something in it. Engineer entrance, service, upgrade, management, whatever language. Okay. I do not need this text. I'm gonna delete it because I do not need it. All right. For things I'm ready to embroider. But this is it so far, y'all. All right, guys. So these are all the things that came with the machine. You get 4 hoops, you get bobbin, you get 6 threads, you get the thread stand, you get the USB, you get stabilizer, you get some clips, which I don't know what that's meant for, and you get a lot, man. And of course, you got some scissors in that pile. And yeah, I am loving everything. I am not even complaining at all. You get some neck measurement. I don't know what to call that, like some ruler. It's like, for you to make sure your design is placed correctly. And I used it and it actually it works good. So yeah, they get you started on the right foot basically. So but here's the machine. I love it, love it, love it, love it. And I will be making a project for you guys very soon, so stay tuned. And this is everything. These are everything that comes with it. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging with me. As always, stay positive, work hard, and let's make this happen. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can see my first project with this machine. Bye bye.